Okay, let's see if I can get her to go in a little ball here. Squish, 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 squish. Oh, real low. Oh, look at that. She's so cute. Okay. So she's in a little ball. Oh, what am I doing? Alright. Ava Jade, come on. Squish you in a little ball. Look how tiny she is. She's in there. Oh. Oh, she's got some funny faces though. Baby. Sometimes she makes these funny little sounds when she's waking up too. Take the towel away from you guys. She's snoring like a pig. Oh, am I doing okay then? Baby, we need to see your faces. Snorting like a little pig. Okay. Let me just move you back onto your back side and see if she might start crying. Baby. That doesn't work actually. There you go. Oh, here, we need your hands up. There you go. She's got little bubbles, that's kind of cute. She really doesn't like. Oh, and she keeps on. Baby! So you can tell she's hungry. Oh, I'm going to take your foot out and see if it makes you a little bit. You need to lift your face up a little, baby. Okay. So she sees she needs a little bit of food, but Ava Jade, baby. Baby.